All right, let's look at the homework 3.6, problem number 10. All right, so function f of x is given, 5x plus e to the 7x, and then we want to use this formula. Inverse function derivative by f inverse of x is 1 over reciprocal of derivative of f plug f inverse of x. All right, so then find the f derivative of f inverse of 1, right? So let's do that. All right, so let's just use this formula. So we know that if you want to find f inverse derivative of 1, then according to the formula, this is what you need to do. 1 over f prime of f inverse of 1, right? So let's find f inverse of 1, right? So we need to find a number that gives you x value, so that f of that number is equal to 1. So let's do that. All right, do you know one? Actually, we found one. So you have f of, let's try f of 0. So f of 0 is 5 times 0, and then you have e to the 7 times 0, which is going to be 1, so it's going to be 1 here. So if f of 0 is equal to 1, then that's equivalent of saying f inverse of 1 is equal to 0, right? So we know that the f inverse of 1 is 0, so we can simplify to 1 over f prime of 0, right? But what is f prime of 0? So we have to find f prime of x first, right? So derivative of 5x is 5, and derivative of e to the 7x is you have e to the 7x, then multiply by derivative of 7x, so it's going to be 7, right? So if you want to find f prime of 0, it's going to be 5 plus e to the 0 is 1 plus times 7, so it's going to be 5 plus 7, it's going to be 12, right? So this is going to be just 1 over 12, right? Let's type it in. We got 1 over 12, right? Let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly, right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.